But some would say Brian did so with grace and a sense of humanity.
If they don't know by now, they about to find out. How the dog get down and what the
When I say 10, you say 9, 10, 10.
This is hip-hop. It's country, jazz, and R&B, and it's pop. It's rock and roll, and you never will it stop. So ain't no way you stopping this hip-hop.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
It's country, jazz, and R&B, and it's pop. It's rock and roll, and you never will it stop. So ain't no way you stopping this hip-hop. This is hip-hop.
What is living on 904 Michigan? What is having roaches in trouble finding more dividends? Dying a poor citizen. What is bars on the door that's illicit? War killers been trying for your kid again. What is saving your pen to go stay in an available place in a way cause you ain't paying no jakes when the A makes a way to rotate? What is waiting your safe so we can stay in your race? Laying more tape invading your state when it's pain in your face. What is the door slam that ain't with the program? The business give a damn to go ham. You're giving them more stamina. What is having a manager book 'em many shows to go jam? What is at the bottom? They really got 'em. What is in the column without another who stop 'em, drop 'em, pop 'em, chop 'em? When is summer, spring, and autumn? What is double to the top and shot 'em? What is poverty? What is acknowledging a prodigy? What is the dichotomy of this good and bad anthology? What is lads that follow these sad bad psychology? What is living life low, then living like you hit the lottery?
This is hip-hop. It's country, jazz, and R&B, and it's pop. It's rock and roll, and you never will it stop. So ain't no way you stopping this hip-hop. This is hip-hop. It's country, jazz, and R&B, and it's pop. It's rock and roll, and you never will it stop. So ain't no way you stopping this hip-hop. This is
When I
hip-hop.
first heard the beat, it gave me the vision that if the Mayan calendar was
บ่น่าเชื่อเนาะว่าเฮาสิมาพบกัน คนตั้งว่าจักล้านเพราะปานว่ามีผู้มาสุขอยู่ใส่
Tech 9, Brother Lynch Hung.
What is getting off the X and writing an album? What is being put in the middle like Malcolm? Sicker than sarcoidosis, I eat carry-on. I got body parts in my carry-on. That's where the party starts, nigga, I'm very hung. Been ripping up niggas since I was very young. Scary looking motherfucker, ready to kill your daddy's mom. Ready to eat that meat with a big cleaver. I creep in the streets and delete these niggas up hot, shitting out they feces. Put a knife in their nieces, at least he's younger. Hunger, dinner, he sees thunder, one nut, inner. He sees baby, doctor, visit. He spills rabies in his lyrics. Put her in the back with the flat tire, I'm fire till I retire. I tire up and then fire up and then giving it to the higher up. Tech 9 dinner time, get out the wine, this is my type of hip-hop.
It's country, jazz, and R&B, and it's pop. It's rock and roll, and you never will it stop. So ain't no way you stopping this hip-hop. This is hip-hop. It's country, jazz, and R&B, and it's pop. It's rock and roll, and you never will it stop. So ain't no way you stopping this hip-hop. This is hip-hop.
Still I know I'm don't steal her house. It's yes, it's not out me. It's worthless. We not we are now first nestle. So no one. Feel like it's now. And it's yes, get never no smell. Say this means a life passes to your mom.
Hip-hop.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Just quiet in your mind. Just tell yourself to shut the fuck up.
I'm the one.
What the hell am I looking at? When does this happen in the movie?
Now. You're looking at now, sir. Everything that happens now is happening now.
So what are your thoughts on hate speech and racism?
Now that outdated.
Yes.
Experience also, you see, like time, text, book. And so society changed. Have to change. So some of these institutions, some sort of influence the existing society sort of system. Now that outdated text, book. And therefore, And each nation belongs to the people. So in any way, sometimes in America, I expressing publicly, America belongs to 300 millions of American people, not a Republican Party or Democratic Party. America belongs to 300 millions of American people, not a Republican Party. America belongs to 300 millions of American people.